Okay, so I'm going to tell you a little, very short story, and I want you to try to listen to the tense that I use.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Alright, so I'll get started. So last night I had a really funny dream. Okay, I was a bird and I flew all over the world. I visited all my friends in Australia, and then I turned into Santa Claus and I gave them all presents. Okay, did you hear what tense I used?
The past tense?
Great, very good. So the past simple tense, well done. Very, very good. Okay, so that's what we're going to be practicing today. So I'm sure you know a lot about the past simple, but we're going to practice that a little bit today. So first of all, I'm going to start, I'm going to say a sentence in the present simple, and if you can, I want you to say it in the past simple. Okay? Now don't worry if you can't, because I'll be here to help you.
Okay.
Does that sound okay?
Okay.
Great. Alright, so the first one. So I talk to my sister every day. Yesterday I
told my...
Almost. So I talk to my sister. I'll do the first one for you, actually. So I talk to my sister every day.
Yeah.
Yesterday I talked to my sister.
Oh, okay.
Okay, that's good. All right, so you have a go at the second one. Now, don't worry if you don't know them. It's fine. Okay.
Okay.
So my sister watches TV every day. This morning she
watched the TV.
Great. Yep, that's really good. I cook dinner on the weekends. Last weekend I
cooked. Cooked it?
Yeah.
Dinner?
Yeah,
I forgot to cook as past time. It's cooked, right? Same food?
Cooked dinner.
Cooked.
Well done. Very good. So we'll look at the pronunciation a little bit later too. Sometimes I look at magazines.
Yeah.
Yesterday
I looked magazine.
Very, very good. Okay, well done. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to actually send you these examples that we just used. Okay? And I want you to tell me what you notice about the spelling of them. Okay, so I'll just send them right now. Can you see them?
Okay. I talk to my sister every day.
Yeah.
So yesterday I talked to her.
Good.
My sister watches TV every day. This morning she watched TV.
Good.
I cook dinner on the weekend. Last weekend I cooked dinner.
Great.
Sometimes I look at magazines. Yesterday I looked at magazine.
Great. Okay. So what do you notice about the spelling of all the ones in past simple?
Yeah. So.
Yeah. What? Yeah.
Okay. I'm not as lesson clear what you ask me.
That's okay. So what do you notice about the spelling? How does the word change when it goes into this past simple tense? So talk turns into talked.
Yeah.
What happens to the spelling?
It changed.
Yeah, it changes, doesn't it? So we put ed on the end.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, okay, good. Alright, so do you know all the verbs that when we change them to the past simple, when we put ed on the end, do you know what we call those verbs?
The verbs?
Yeah, they've got a name, do you know? You might not know. They're called regular verbs.
Regular?
Yeah, regular verbs.
Regular verbs.
Yeah, that's right. So I'll write it here. Regular verbs. Okay?
Yeah.
So, and actually, there are also other verbs which are called irregular verbs. Now, that means that they change completely.
Okay.
Okay, so when you change them to the past simple tense, they change completely. So there are no rules for these. You just have to remember them. And now, don't worry, I actually emailed Hugo a list, but you don't need them. It's okay.
Okay.
So normally you'd have a list of them there for you. So, but let's do some practicing. We'll do the same thing, and I'll do the first one for you.
Yeah.
And again, if you don't know them, don't worry. Okay, I'll tell you.
Okay.
So, the first one. So I have lunch at 12 every day, but yesterday I ate lunch at 12. Okay, so eat changes to 8.
Yeah, 8. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So we'll do the second one as well. So I speak to my friend every day. Yesterday I
spoke to my friend.
Very good. Excellent. And we'll do one more. I go to the movies every Sunday. On Sunday we
Watched it.
Yeah. So I go to the movies every Sunday. On Sunday we.
I went to a movie.
Well done. Okay, very, very good. So those ones are irregular because, do you know why they're irregular?
Because they change the spell.
Exactly. That's exactly right. Okay, fantastic. So we're going to do a little bit of practice now, so you get to have a go at using these. Now there is a worksheet, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to send you 2 words. Okay, so one's a noun, so monkey, and the other one is a verb, to lock. Okay? So now on the worksheet there are pictures, but do you know what those 2 words mean?
The word mean?
Yeah? Do you know?
You mean in your standard picture?
Yeah, would you like, well, the worksheet has a picture, but I don't know if I can send it on Skype, actually.
It's fair.
Oh no, I can't do it on Skype. That's okay. Do you know, a monkey is a type of animal?
Yeah, I know monkey.
Yeah, good. And to lock is like when you lock a door, when you have the key.
Yeah.
And you turn it and you lock it so that the door cannot open.
Yes.
Okay, good. So those 2 words, can you try to put them into a sentence? It can just be a funny sentence.
Use monkey?
Yeah. Use monkey and use lock. But put it into the past, simple past. So you'll need to change lock to locked.
So, I locked the money in the jail.
Okay, good.